Okay, this is T1 here. Right here is the first rib. And I have a needle between T1 and T2, which is right here, which gets this little tiny one right here. See that? It's a little branch of that, and it kind of floats under the rib itself. See, it's right under the rib. So here's the rib, and it kind of floats right under that. So that's a little T1 there. Okay, so here's the rib, and the little branch of T1 floats here. Absolutely no reason to go above the first rib. So you'd go between T1 and T2 to get this space. Some of it will float here and get up to here. You do not need to get that big giant T1 branch, which is the brachial plexus. And so you would just go between T1 and T2. Because going cephalad of T1 is dangerous. Lots of vessels. T1, going above T1 comes up over the first rib, and then you're involved in a lot of these vessels here. You don't want to be there. So only between T1 and T2, and that's only to get this little guy here. If I were to go there at all. Now T3 to T2, got this nice one here, and that's good because that's, I believe, the intercostal brachial. So you might get some armpit issue there. So that'd be 3 to 2, 2 to 1, and this needle is here. It's a little out of position, but it's between the first rib and the second rib, so it's at T2. It's cephalad of T2 process. A little leery about going up there. I'd probably stick with just T2 and 3 and hope that it got T1. I'll have to ask those people that actually do it.